US dollar index, what we can see, has gone outside of this small range area on a Thursday. Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday was jumping around. We can see on a Wednesday the price reached this demand zone at 102.85 and then bounced back up, did not close the day below. Then on a Thursday we can see the price tried to reach higher price levels, 103.77, and then bouncing back down, closing below these candles, which was suggesting that the price could return down and moving to the lower levels. But on the Friday the price reached 102.85, the lowest price level in this week, and then the price reversed back up, going and closing above all these candles bodies, which means something has happened on the market which has triggered this bullish momentum and making this bullish engulfing candle. The price stopped just at the start of this supply zone around 104.22, and then the week has ended. Weekly, how's it looks? The next week has continued to rise in value, which was expected based on the previous week candles, because each week has closed above, and also this week has made the same scenario. We can see that the price did not close above, which means a very strong selling pressure is here waiting, supply zone and this resistance level. On the monthly time frame we can see that the previous month has ended as a bullish one, making some kind of reaching this area, which is a very important level on the monthly time frame, and then continue to rise in value. So based on this one, what we can make a conclusion: if the price continues to rise in value, the price will reach area around 104.38, which is the next resistance level, and then we'll see what happens. In the past the price is bouncing back down. We can see it here when the price reached this level. So I'm expecting that the price first this month will reach around 104.50, around 30, then bouncing back down. And for much more clear conclusion, we will need to see on the weekly and also daily time frame, the daily especially. Now if we go to the weekly, we can see that the highest price level where the price reached on the weekly time frame is 104.22, and from there the price bouncing back down. The highest here is 104.42. When the price was going up, it is the same scenario right now. Here, the price reached this area, then bouncing back down. So I'm expecting the same scenario, that the price will make around this resistance level. On the daily time frame, it is very visible what happens when the price is going up, bouncing back down around 103.70, and this is the scenario I'm expecting right now if there is no bullish breakout. So next week, if there is a bullish breakout above 104.22, the highest where the price could reach is 104.49. We can see in the past the price was bouncing from this price level. So if the breakout to the bullish side happens, this is the first step where the price will have problems and then return back down. But if the bullish breakout happens, confirming it with the next candle as a valid bullish breakout, this will mean that the price will continue to rise in value and trying to reach around this supply zone. If the breakout doesn't happen and the price returns back down, we can see where the price goes down. Most of the time is around 103.30 on the daily time frame, and we can see the lowest was 103.18, which is also the lower side of this indecision range area. So this is the area what is expected on the monthly time frame, the bounce on the weekly time frame, and also on the daily time frame. This bounce to the retrace back down is only possible if there is a bullish breakout happening on the daily time frame, and this is something that we need to watch day by day next week, and I will do that. Each day I will check the market and make the analysis, what happens on the market and what would be the next target for that day or also next day. So if you would like to check that, I will share that inside the trading community. The link will be below in the description. So if you would like to check it, feel free to check it. That's all for this weekly analysis, and for now, as it looks, the price will try to reach this area, moving a little bit up, and then we will see what happens. The bounce is the retrace is expected around 103.20 price level. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.